Panas lögit ruduk metze, metze zandan lusum do, Gyanas mans yelye dutuk metze, metzet panas dutum tso. In this Vaakh, Lala speaks to the divine and shares the deepest secret of non-dual spirituality. She says, Panas lögit ruduk metze, metze zandan lusum do, which means you playfully stayed hidden from me while my days passed searching for you. This shows that spiritual seeking can feel like chasing something that keeps slipping away, even though God is always near, like a gentle game of hide and seek. Then she says, Gyanas mans yelye dutuk metze, metzet panas dutum tso, which means, but when true wisdom awakened in me, you and I met. She realized a powerful truth about divine being always within ourselves and not outside. And once this understanding blossomed, union naturally became a celebration. The seeker, which is Lala, and the sought, which is divine Sadashiv, dissolved into one, and life turned into a festival. Through this work, Lala gives us a clear and timeless lesson. We may spend years searching outward, but the greatest discovery happens when we look inward. And the moment we recognize the divine within, everything becomes simple, whole, joyful, and complete.